Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful woodcrafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy the videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So viewers, friends, wood is a natural material that brings warmth, beauty to every space. You can create many useful decorative projects with just a few base tools and a little imagination. And dear friends, viewers, one easy idea is a wooden photo frame. Choose a plain wood frame and decorate it with paint, flower, beads, small wooden shapes. Add your favorites, family pictures, and your decoration is a complete. Another lovely project is a wooden welcome sign. Paint a wooden board into your favorite color. Your favorite color. Write the word welcome using hand lettering, decorated with flower, greeny or small bow. Hang it up your front door to greet your guest and your viewers. So my next idea is the viewers. Frames. And the beavers. Paint a wooden board in your favorite color. Wooden wallet is another beautiful idea. Arrange small wooden pieces into simple patterns. Paint them in soft color to leave the nature wood. And your viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.